Alright, what we have here is something you don't see every day. This is a Fasco Gulfstream ceiling fan. 6 blades. Kind of uses, looks like the craft made blade arms there. Got this from Charles S. a few days ago at the Fanimation group trip of this year of August 24. There's a little fobs on here. I'm planning to put that. I'm possibly going to put it where the breezeway is. So, as you can see, I'll show you the box. So, fortunately did not came with a black motor. Here it is. Looks a lot more better with a black motor in it instead of a white one. Because I painted black, which I could do. Looks like the housing is a little bit more space than that. Yeah. This van was manufactured in 1993. Here's the manual. I'll just go through it. Where does it say 19? Oh, I think it might be the back. Yeah. Looks like either like maybe the ninth week of 1993, or probably the ninth month of 1993. So here's the instructions manual. Here it is. Here's more of it. There we go. Alright, without further ado, because I think the Gulfstreams might be more spaced out. There might be a little bit more space here with the black motor. So anyway, here's low. Switch housing is a little bit. Here's the fan. Here's medium. Powerful fan. You can feel the air. Basically, this fan you can use it in the closet, a bathroom. Like I'm not talking about like bath fans, like exhaust fans with the light. I'm just talking about an actual ceiling fan like this. So someone has mentioned me, you could look at ceiling fans in bathrooms, and sometimes they would point out like it's a bath fan, like an exhaust fan with the light. Like it looks like a light fixture, but I have a fan behind the scenes. So I'm talking about more like ceiling fans like this, like more paddle fans. Some people call ceiling fans. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this one up for sure. Alright, so here's high. This is that motor hum. Here's top. Notice something with this camera is I feel like take it like further away, or I don't know. There's something about it, like if you put it so close, it's like fans moving, but sometimes when you take it far away, you can see like the blades kind of turn like that. That's just the sunlight. It might be the sunlight, I think. I don't know. But we'll turn it off. There's off. Yeah, this fan was brand new in the box. It's like over 30 years old. I mean, the blades were never unwrapped. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure. I'm surprised. I mean, it's never been used because there was some tape. If you take off like the switch housing, there was some tape that was covering the a little bit, or it was protecting the plug or to connect this, because there's the connectors. All right, I'm gonna reverse it. Here we go. Actually, I want you to take a listen to the motor. Something about this, if you put it up close, you can see the fan blades a little bit more. When you put it like that, it's just like someone like took a lot of pictures of it. It's like you don't know how many blades is on there. Here's medium. See the sunlight's out and just see the blades better on this. Let's just, I don't know, low. Wobbles a little bit, but that's okay. It's running. And we'll turn it off. There it goes. It's a 30-inch fan, so that's gonna go with the breezeway is. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, what we have here is a Fasco Gulfstream ceiling fan with 4 blades on it. As you can see. Here we go, let's turn on low. Here's medium. Alright, thanks for watching.